Yes, Alva lifestyle in Jamaica. Yes, this video is for you. Yes, you. Yeah, you that then call one of the blind mice. Well, you're not a blind mice, you're a blind rat. Yes, this video is for you. Yeah, and I hope you watch this video. Yeah, you and your followers them, because they need to know what is going on, the things that you're doing. You see it, guys? This video is gonna be interesting, and I hope you stick around to hear what I have to say about Oliver lifestyle in Jamaica. So go get your coffee, go get your vodka, go get your J and Refu, go get your Red Stripe, go get your Guinness, your Dragon, your Cersei tea, your mint tea, you search me art tea, because we're gonna search Oliver lifestyle art to see if him are clean. Alright? Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. So guys, I had to take a break from doing the work up in the hills because something was brought to my attention, and I thought it's fitting to deal with it. You see it, I was working hard and, cooking up in the bushes, mixing concrete, building a step so that the wife can see the progress are going. So me now waste time or nothing like that. She probably also me a waste time right now, because she say, oh, can I take time off to make a video talking about a fellow content creator? But don't worry yourself, my wife, the thing good, all right? We don't return back to the work when we done. I just want to deal with this thing and then move on to the thing. But anyway, guys, but this is just my opinion, and my opinion that I have pertaining to this Jamaican YouTuber, content creator, reaction content creator that they call Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica. So this is it, guys. Oliver Lifestyle. Hear what I have to say about you, bro. And I hope you understand, and I pray that you may not take it in a negative sense, but you may take it in a positive sense. You see it? Because we see where some things were said about you, things still been saying about you, and I just want to give my 2 points towards the situation, and I hope you are able to take constructive criticism. Although some people say they don't know if you take it, so we don't see if we can take this constructive criticism. So here what's going on, guys. There's a lot of content creators that are saying that Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica is not a content creator. He's a pirate, or he's a pirate. Yeah, you probably saw the thumbnail and you are curious, why is there a rat? Why is there a rat in a pirate hat? And why is there Oliver in a pirate hat with a parrot sitting on his shoulder? This is it. We all know the stories or the history that we learn in social studies about pirates. Pirates are how pirates plunder and pirates rob and steal and ray. If you want to see if Oliver is a pirate or is a pirate. So, since they already put it out there, say he's one of the 3 blind mice, we're going to graduate him from a mice and we're going to graduate him to a rat. All right? So we're gonna examine to see if Oliver is a pirate or he's a pirate. Yes, you Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica. Yes, you better go get your coffee and sit down on your chair right now, because you're making over and roll over and say, whoa, I can't be. Say, Manix said this about me. Here we go. So this is it, guys. There's a lot of stuff I've been floating floating on YouTube about Oliver Lifestyle. Say that he's not a real content creator. That he's a pirate of people content. He profiteering. He's a major profiteer of people content, becoming a mega superstar in Jamaica from profiteering of other people content. Yes, you're a profiteer, Oliver. You're a profiteer. But this is it, guys. This is it. With all that has been said about Oliver, with all the negative stuff that I've been saying about Oliver, let us calm down for a second. Let us sip on our coffee, and let us sip on our tea and our Cersei and J-Ray and nephew. And let's analyze this thing a little bit closer. Some of you probably watching this video and say, why are you talking about Oliver? We don't want to hear that. Stick to your type of content. When Oliver is doing his videos, Oliver I realize that Oliver is calling up my name in his video. So I can call up back Oliver's name. And I also will be using some of his content within this video. And some of you probably watching these videos, you don't really like his way of doing his content. You cannot bear the thought of his fat, bald head. You cannot listen to his voice, his annoying voice, as some of you may say, and this is it and that. And he's a lynchman, and he's a mice, and he's a rat, and he's a backstabber, and he's a hypocrite, and whatever. But this is it, guys. For many of you that have been watching a lot of content coming out of Jamaica recently, and some overseas also, if we notice that a lot of these reactors, content creators, a lot of them now, you see them, they will be sitting or standing, and they will have a TV running in the background, and they will be reacting based off the content that is on the screen behind them, or in front of them, or beside them, or whatever. And you are saying, wow, this is a phenomenon. This is really a phenomenon. And some people are saying, well, all of a sudden, everybody now have TV behind them, beside them, reacting. I want to ask you guys a question. Who was the first content creator you saw with this? Some of you may be truthful, and some of you may look for some other reason and say, okay, Manis, we know where you're going. You know where you're going, Manis. You want to say that Oliver is the pioneer of creating this new invention of vlogging, reacting towards content and creating content. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Everybody reserves the right to say anything about Oliver. I cannot say that he's a poster child or he's an angel or whatever. Sometimes Oliver may use explicit on his channel, and a lot of people don't like it. A lot of people don't like his style. A lot of people don't like how we use content to bring forth views towards his channel. But guys, this is it. There are a lot of YouTubers right now in Jamaica, and there are some also overseas that are mimicking, are following Oliver's way of doing his content. A lot. And some of them know themselves right now. Some of them probably watching this video now and say, yo, what are you talking about? Guys, if many of you right now watching YouTube, you will see a lot of content creators right now that were doing different stuff a couple months ago. And all of a sudden now, everybody buy TV, everybody buy flat screen. A lot of them buy big flat screen, small flat screen, and everybody now is reacting with a TV. Now, let us ask ourselves this question, guys. Where did the idea of reacting with a TV came from? No, this is it, guys. We have to know how to split the justice. I'm not here to pick up for Oliver, but we have to give the person the props that he or she deserves, and also have to acknowledge the achievement of what the person have achieved. And Oliver has started a movement. Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica is revolutionizing the way how content creators are creating content in Jamaica and overseas. Simple truth. I've been watching YouTube and I saw a lot of content creators before they weren't reacting or doing content with a TV behind them. They weren't doing it until Oliver came on the scene with his new way of reacting and a new form of content. Now, I am going to couple this now with the way how I started off the video, or with the thumbnail. Is Oliver Lifestyle a content pirate, or is Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica a content pioneer? A pioneer as in somebody who creates something, discovers something, the first or whatever. Yes. Is Oliver Lifestyle, and I want you guys to really be honest. Be honest. Let us give a man the respect that let us give a man the respect that he duly deserves. I know a lot of us look at Oliver differently. A lot of us have stuff to say about Oliver. A lot of us, say this and say that and whatever. But guys, let us be fair. Let us give a man the prop that he deserves. Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica is an inventor. He invented something in Jamaica that nobody else dared to bring out on YouTube. This guy got guts. This guy is an inventor. This guy, Oliver Lifestyle, is a pioneer. He's a pioneer, guys. Some of you may disagree and some of you may agree, but Oliver Lifestyle is a pioneer. Oliver Lifestyle is revolutionizing the way our reactors are doing videos. He is leading the charge. He had brought a product to YouTube right now in which a lot of content creators in Jamaica and overseas are now copying his style, using his way of conveying the message to the people. Bro, you are very inventive, man. Let me just stop and tell you. You're a genius. You are a genius. Put that for us. Let's put all of that for us to a side for a second. And let us deal with the obvious truth that is before us. The idea or the style that you have brought to YouTube. There's a lot of content creators now that are doing the same thing, that are doing your same style. You are a pioneer, man. You brought something fresh. You brought something new to the market. You brought a revolutionary way of reacting towards videos, bringing forward a product that the viewers can relate. While you're telling the story, the viewers can get a pictorial view of the story that you're telling. You are the one that did that, bro. No, a lot of content creators, they will not let you know. I saw Randy Lifestyle and Cooking, if that's his name, I don't remember. If I mix it up, brother, forgive me. Please forgive me. But you were the first one that brought it out. I watched your video. Big up yourself, Randy. You're doing a great job, man. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. You elaborated on it in one of your videos. Guys, go check out Randy's channel, guys. Go check him out. Jump over, show him some support, guys. Bring up his numbers. Build up his channel, guys. You elaborated on it. That Oliver Lifestyle brought a new way of content creating to YouTube. He did. Now, some people may say that, we don't care because he's a pirate, he's a profiteer, he's a pirate, he's a mice, and he's a lynchman. We don't care. Yes, I understand, guys. I understand. But in all of the negativity, you still got to be able to give to the man what is duly his. Oliver Lifestyle has revolutionized the way our reactors are doing their videos. Oliver Lifestyle has opened up the door to the possibilities that a lot of people are now doing reaction content. He have shown people, and he's showing people, say, yo, you can do it this way. And a lot of people are doing it. A lot of content creators are now doing it. And this is where some of us guys, we are so drunk on everything else that we are not able to see the gift that is in Oliver. We are not able to see how smart Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica is. We are not able to see how ingenious Oliver Lifestyle is. A lot of us, we are so drunk on every other else thing that we are not able to see the pioneering journey that Oliver Lifestyle is taking a lot of these young YouTubers on. He has paved the way and he has opened up the door of possibilities to a lot of young content creators in Jamaica and overseas. So when we analyze it and when we dissect it and when we look at it, is Oliver Lifestyle a content pirate? A content pirate? No, he's a content pioneer. Oliver Lifestyle is an innovator. Oliver Lifestyle is an inventor. Oliver Lifestyle is a pioneer that has brought something to YouTube which a lot of content creators are gravitating towards. And it's working for them. It is working for them, guys. And guys, every video that Oliver Lifestyle uploads, before he goes into the main theme of his video, he will shout out at least 5, sometimes 7, sometimes 10 content creators. I have counted at least 150, probably 200 so far. 99% of Oliver's videos, Oliver will acknowledge content creators before he even goes into the body of his topic that he wants to bring forth to the people. Now, what does that say about Oliver's character? Guys, let us use this. Let us just use this alone and compare Oliver to a lot of bigger content creators. Now, is there an ulterior motive why he's doing it? I don't know. I cannot read his mind. I don't have a crystal ball rubbing it and say, oh, crystal ball, show me what is in Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica's mind. I don't have a crystal ball, guys. I don't have a crystal ball. So I don't know if there's an ulterior motive why Oliver will do this. I don't know. Probably he can make a video and explain to the people why he will do this. But one thing I can say, this is what I can say, guys. Oliver Lifestyle is the only content creator that I have seen that will shout out 10 content creator before he goes into the main topic of his video. I have never seen no more content creator that does it. How many young content creators in Jamaica Oliver Lifestyle have shouted out on his channel? Now, everybody reserve the right to do whatsoever that they want to do on their channel, yes. But Oliver Lifestyle, whenever he upload a video, and guys, correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comment. Tell me if I'm telling a lie, guys. Tell me if I'm telling a lie. How many of you have been watching Oliver's Lifestyle? I've seen where before he goes into the main theme of his videos, he will acknowledge 5 to 7 to 10 content creators. Tell me if I'm lying, guys. Tell me if I'm lying. And compare Oliver to us other content creators. Based off of the rhetoric, some people will let it seem that Oliver is the worst content creator on the planet because of his style of creating content. But guys, just let us be honest for a second. And some of you may say, okay, we don't care. To us, he's still a big bald-headed mice who profiteer of other people content. We don't care what you want to say, man. It's nothing gonna change our mind. We are set in our ways. It's set in stone. We don't care. But guys, how many YouTubers, how many content creators you hear before the start of their video, you're hearing them shout out 5, 7, 10, 12 fellow content creators? How many of them you hear doing it? Some of you know, some of you watching this channel and you see it. You see it and you know. You never hear nobody else do it. He's the first one. He's the first one that brought this thing to YouTube. He shout out people before he even goes into his video. Bro, I tip my hat to you. I know you probably saw the thumbnail and you say, yo, what kind of thumbnail that Manix make with me in a pirate hat and parrot up on my shoulder with a big rat in a pirate hat stand up on a treasure chest with a burning pirate ship in the background. And this man is going to diss me? No, I'm not dissing you. But I want to convey a message that some people may say that you're a pirate, which in fact you are a pioneer. You are a pioneer, Oliver. And never forget it, man. Never forget it. Never forget it. That you have and you are totally revolutionizing the way how content creators react towards videos. You brought a change to the industry. You literally uprooted the old foundation and usher in a brand new way of reaction content. Some content creators may not give you the props that you deserve. Some may not say it. They may rather dwell on other stuff without even acknowledging your contribution to Jamaica, your contribution to YouTube also, by bringing a product. And this is it, Oliver. If your style was wrong, so many content creators wouldn't have gravitated towards it and using it right now. And many of them, they are using your style and it is working perfectly for them. Randy, keep on doing your thing, man. Randy, you look so professional. The way how you're reacting towards content, man. Don't stop. You're reaction videos when you have the TV beside you and you are teaching the people like a professor. Stick to that, bro, because it's working for you. Bless up yourself. Much respect to you, Randy. Now watch it up. Me I watch your videos them. Me may not comment on them all the while, but me I watch them, man. Keep on, because that thing, it is working for you like a charm. You look so professional at what you're doing. Oliver lifestyle, I don't know if he was drinking Jerry and nephew and Reggie and nephew say, yo, Oliver, we got a vision for you. I don't know. I'm just saying. But guys, Oliver lifestyle has brought a style to YouTube, to the YouTube industry. Is revolutionizing the way how reaction content creators are doing their stuff in Jamaica and overseas. He has changed the game. A lot of these content creators, if you check their channel before they start reacting with a TV, they weren't getting no views on their channel. The moment that they start with a TV beside them and reacting, they're bringing in views. They're raking in the views. Why? Because of the style in which they are conveying to the people, and they also, the viewers can visualize by watching the screen what's going on. That is Oliver newfound frontier. Oliver has developed a new frontier of content creating that he has opened up the way, he has paved the way for a lot of content creators to now follow. He's the forerunner. He's the forerunner of reacting with a screen behind him. Some have it behind them, some have it on a bed, some have it on a dresser, some have it on a wall, some have it on a table, some have it ground. But guys, it's all stem from Oliver lifestyle. Some viewers may beat me up in the comment and say, no, Oliver Lifestyle is not the first one to do it. Let us give Oliver Lifestyle the respect he deserves for what he has created. He has brought something to the forefront that a lot of content creators have sampled. And when they realize that this new way can work, they are now incorporated in the way how they create content. Oliver Lifestyle, keep on doing the work, bro. You're a pioneer. You're not a pirate, you're not a pirate, but you are a pioneer. You are a content pioneer. And people will remember you for this revolutionary change, this revolutionary style of reacting that you have brought to the game. People will remember you. People will remember you when you're long gone. They will say, yo, it was Oliver Lifestyle start up this thing. And it's not going to stop. Oliver, you have started something that is bubbling up more and more and more. More people going to do it. It's not going to stop. It's not going to stop. Because this is it. When you have been on YouTube for how many years and you only have 100 subscribers, 300 subscribers, 500 subscribers, you probably have the required subscription amount and you haven't even have half the public watch hours. People are going to try something that they see is working for somebody else. We all seen it. People try different stuff to see if it can catapult their channel to monetization. The style that you have brought, a lot of content creators, they are using it and it is working for them. Oliver, this question is for you, Oliver. I'm looking straight at you right now. Let me look at you and look at your loyal subscribers. Let me ask you guys this question. Is Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica a content pirate, a content pirate, or is he a content pioneer? That's a question I need to ask you guys. And I need you to be honest. Is he a content pioneer? Is Oliver Lifestyle a content pirate, or is he a content pioneer? While you are debating what is your answer, I already have my answer. Oliver Lifestyle is a content pioneer. And I implore a lot of content creators out there, if you are out there in the bush cooking and ray, and it's not working for you, try something else, man. Try something new. Try a refreshing. Try something brand new. Take a page out of Oliver's book. Look at what Oliver is doing. And a lot of people won't even acknowledge the good that he has done and the good that he's doing. He's the only YouTuber that I have ever seen that spent 5 minutes, 10 minutes before he goes into his videos to be shouting out small content creators. It's the only one. So guys, we can judge a man based off of his stuff what him do. But when a man do good, let us also acknowledge the good that he has done and the good that he is doing. Oliver Lifestyle is doing a lot of good, guys. That is just my opinion. If you think I'm lying, go check out his channel. Go check out his channel for yourself. Sometimes he may curse some profanity over there, which, you know, I'm not telling anybody what to do. If he want to curse profanity, it's up to him. You know, that is his way of conveying his message. But guys, if you believe I am telling you a lie and you want to prove it for yourself, go over Oliver Lifestyle channel. And when you watch his channel, click through YouTube and you will see how many else content creators are doing his style. And also listen how he encourage fellow content creators, or he asks viewers and subscribers to check out these fellow content creators. Who else is doing that, guys? Who else is doing that? Who else is doing that? So I understand when some people gonna say, oh, Oliver is this, Oliver is that. I get it. But I am one will acknowledge is good. The good that he's doing. The achievements that he has achieved. The change that he has brought. The invention that he has brought to YouTube. His inventive skills that he has brought to YouTube. That has revolutionized the way how content creators react towards videos. So Oliver, big up yourself. You're a pioneer. You're a pioneer. You're an inventor. You have revolutionized the way how reaction content creators are reacting towards videos. Be proud of yourself, man. Even sometime when you feel as if, boy, some of them, oh, yo, them people don't understand me. Yo, just remember this, man. You're an inventor. You're a pioneer. You're a forerunner. You are the one that has brought it to the forefront where content creators can say, yo, I can do something like this. You're the one that do that, man. You're the ones that almost every night when you upload that video, you bring forth awareness to young YouTubers that a lot of us, including me, don't even mention content creators in my videos when I'm making them. That maybe sometime I will do one. But 99% of your videos bringing to light some of these young content creators, which a lot of people have went over and subscribed to their channel, including me. A lot of the people, when you bring up my channel and you say, viewers, go check out Manix, they come over and say, Oliver said that, yo, I should check out your channel. So you're doing a good work, bro. How many content creators are doing that, man? How many doing that? No, some of them, they want pay. Some of them, you have to pay them to do that. Keep on doing the good work, bro. God bless you. Guys, check out Oliver Lifestyle channel and see it for yourself. If I'm telling a lie, leave it in the comment, guys. If I am lying, leave in the comment and I will take down this video if I'm lying. But first, go over and check out to see what he's doing for yourself and then see. And if I'm telling a lie, you leave it in the comment and I'll take down the video. I'll literally take it down and then come give an apology if I'm telling a lie on him. So Oliver, keep on doing what you're doing, bro. You're doing an amazing job. You're doing a super job. You are encouraging a lot of YouTubers to keep on doing it. You are also showing the future content creators that, yo, you can do it this way. And it will work. Because it's a proven method. You prove it and it worked. And also, a lot of other else content creators have proven it and it's working for them. And a lot more also gonna sample the thing and it's gonna work for them. And it's all because of you, bro. It's all because of you. Thank you for bringing forward the idea to the thing. Thank you for making yourself available to revolutionize the way our reactor content creators do stuff. To make our way clear that future content creator can see that, yo, the old way is past and the new way has been ushering. You have something to be proud of, Oliver Lifestyle, because a lot of us are not doing what you're doing. Keep up your head high. Be of good cheer. Be of good strength, because you are doing a good work. All right? Bless up yourself, guys. Thanks for tuning into Manix Robinson TV. That's how we do the thing. Find this content interesting, consider to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, that whenever I drop a video, you won't miss it. Have yourself a blessed one. Peace out.